Good morning, Junior 5 students. I am Ms. Fatma Abdel Rauf Hamadnallah, and I will be teaching you science this year. I hope you enjoy studying with me. In Theme 1, Unit 1, after studying Concept 1, which was plant needs, you are now moving on to Concept 2, titled Energy Flow in Ecosystems. Do you remember what's the meaning of ecosystem? We have studied it last year. An ecosystem is an area that includes both living organisms, such as plants, animals, and microorganisms, and non-living things like water, air, and soil that interact with each other. There are many examples of ecosystems like the ocean, desert, and forest. The ecosystem serves as a community that provides essential resources, like food, water, and shelter to all living organisms. Additionally, the interaction between the different components of an ecosystem depends on the flow of energy through these components. Why animals eat plants or other animals? Because they need energy to survive, and they can't produce their own food like plants do through photosynthesis. Animals don't choose food based on taste preferences. Instead, they eat according to their survival needs. For example, caracal, a carnivore, eats mice and other small animals. Rabbits, herbivores, eat grass and plants. Birds may eat butterflies and worms. There is a give a reason question. There's a relationship between sunlight and the energy we get from our food. Why? Or give a reason. Because the energy we obtain from food originally comes from the sun. The sun is the primary source of energy for almost all living organisms. Okay, now I want to know that why do we need energy? To do all activities such as breathing, which keeps oxygen flowing through our bodies, thinking, which requires energy for brain function, moving, including walking, running, and other physical tasks. Some activities, like hard work or physical exercises, require more energy because our muscles and bodies are working harder. Even when we sleep, our bodies still use energy to maintain vital functions like heartbeat, digestion, and cell repair. Now, there is an important question. How different organisms get energy? Plants and some other organisms can produce their own food through a process called photosynthesis. Consumers, like animals and humans. Some animals, called herbivores, eat only plants to get the energy carnivores eat other animals that have already consumed plants, indirectly getting energy from the plants those animals ate. Humans, and some animals, eat both plants and animals to get energy from both sources. Finally, we have to know that living organisms can be classified into three main groups based on their way of feeding: producers, consumers, and decomposers. We will discuss them in the next video. Okay? Goodbye.